used that Arctic Fox, and surprisingly it took to my gray. It gave me a wash of purple that was noticeable. And it lasted for about 3 or 4 shampoos. So I think that I might have still had a little bit left in my last video. Right now I'm just trying to finish off the Clairol. That's supposed to, that I don't like. It doesn't really stay in your hair. And the top popped off, another piece popped off the top. So I'm squeezing it to get out, here we go. Just squeezing whatever, there's a hole. And it's called Color Crave. I would not recommend it. I'm trying to squeeze out as much as I can and put it in manually, because when you put it in your hair, it like drips on your face. So that's what I've been putting on the silver. So yeah, and I put it in the front of my hair. The Arctic Fox did not take to my regular hair, even though it is not virgin anymore, even though it has been processed with, I think it was that L'Oreal last year, the L'Oreal color ones, or the Clairol color ones. It was like a lavender, and then there was like a blue and a light blue, and you could still see that there's still purple, and people are still complimenting me on my purple hair. So I thought that the Arctic Fox would take to that, but it didn't. It took to my silver, surprisingly, which is my virgin hair. So yeah, so I'm using this, and I did not want to buy this. This was like too expensive. It's at $10 for this little bottle. It's a L'Oreal's Coloristas, and I wasn't going to do it. It was like $10, and then I heard that H-E-B put it on sale. I must have not been there that week because I didn't get it. I was so mad. So I just got it, picked up from Walmart. And this is rose gold, and I have been on a rose gold kick for about 2 or 3 years now. So I got that. So I'm gonna probably try that one. I don't know, next week, whenever the mood takes me. Oh, and my nails. I have neon nail polishes. Boggy. I think they were called Boggy Brights from Sally's had them. Like, we're talking way back, maybe 6 years ago, 7 years ago. My daughter had bought them and then gave them to me, and they were chipping a lot, and I've been wrapping my nails again, and that helps it not to chip. And I had green for St. Patrick's Day last week, and then I had a little bit of blue left, a little bit of green left. I said, let me mix them. But I guess I had more green than blue, and it comes out of more of an emerald green. But those finger paints, those flaky finger paints, the flaky glitter, I'm using there's one that has a blue and a green in it, and that's what I'm putting in it. And so sometimes when the light hits it, it looks like an emerald, and when the green shows, and then sometimes, you know, when the light hits it, that blue comes out, making it look teal. So that's what I'm doing. I actually had to cut down my nails and rewrap them because I just don't do well with the really long nails. I don't know how women do it. It looks great, but I don't know how women do it. And I know everybody's TMI question is, how do you wipe your butt? I do not know how they wipe their butt. But anyway, I don't, to me, it's like your nails are going to touch the toilet, your nails are going to touch the toilet water. I just don't know. I would probably clean my butt in the shower if I had nails like that. And I already use a finger, like the nail brush, to clean what little bit of nails I have, because I'm a germaphobe when it comes to stuff like that. I think with that, I know this one woman, she pours, I don't know if she uses Clorox or alcohol. I think she pours alcohol on her nails. She's got long nails. And, yeah, I mean, I just don't know how they do it. Anyway, so I would love to have really, really long nails, but unfortunately the silk wrap with the gel is not strong enough to keep my nails from breaking once they get long. Once they get long, it'll bang into something, it will break. So yeah. But I just wanted to show you the color. I love the blue flakies when it shows through and makes it look like a teal, and then the green and the sun, it looks like I'm wearing emeralds on my nails. So these are the Boggy Brights. I mixed the blue and the green to get a teal. What little bit was left.